How to hyperlink in Google Slides. Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will show you how to add hyperlinks to your project on Google Slides. So let's get started. Head over to Google Slides, log into your Google account and select a new presentation by clicking on this icon here in the top left corner, or use a pre-existing one if you like. That's totally up to you. I will go with a completely new blank presentation for demonstration purposes. And on the next page, select the element you would like to add a hyperlink to, like for example that element here. Fill it with text that is related to your hyperlink, like for instance google.com for the sake of this tutorial. Mark the word or the text you would like to add your hyperlink to, right click, select link from that drop down menu, and next place the URL you would like to use as your hyperlink here into this field. Like for example, let me head over to google.com in another tab, copy its URL, head back to your presentation Google Slides and paste the URL here into this field. Confirm your setup by clicking on this apply button here to the right. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you can add hyperlinks to your text on Google Slides. Thanks for watching and see you next time.